Miss Curran here, and today I'm going to show you in this video just a few things that you will need to know for every Zoom lesson that you will have with your teachers. Let's get started. Here are some Zoom features. First, when you enter a meeting, it's possible that your microphone may not be muted. It's important that you mute yourself when you go into your classroom to make sure that you don't disrupt anyone else and that everyone can hear the speaker. If your microphone is on and someone in your household is talking, then everyone in your class might be able to hear that. So to make sure your microphone is off, go to the bottom left corner and click the mute button. You will know that your microphone is off when the microphone turns red. Another feature is the video. You can see my face now because my video is on. But sometimes when you enter a classroom, your video might be off. So you need to make sure that you go to the bottom left corner and click Start Video, because it is our expectation that everyone has their video on at all times. The next feature is to change your name. Sometimes if you're using mom or dad's phone or computer, your full name is not seen on the screen. For example, mine shows iPhone right now, even though I need to make sure my full name is at the bottom. So to change your name, you click Participants at the bottom. Then you'll see on the right side, a list of the participants will show up. If you hover your mouse over your name and find your name, these two blue buttons will show up. Then you're going to click the one that says More, and then you'll click Rename. Remember, it is our expectation that your full name is written on the screen so that your teacher knows who you are and can make sure to give you credit for attendance. Next, you also have the chat feature. If you go to the bottom and click Chat, then this will pop up in the right-hand corner for you to send a message to your teacher or to participate in class. Remember that the chat must only be used for learning purposes. So if you have a question for your teacher, you can ask it in the chat. Or if your teacher has asked you to answer a question as a class, then you can type your answer there. If you're typing things that are off task in the chat, you might receive a consequence. Next are the reactions. So sometimes your teacher might want you to give a thumbs up or clap, and you could always do that with your hands, but you can also do that with emojis. If you click the reactions button at the bottom, then some emojis will pop up for you to use in class. Lastly, sometimes your teacher will bring you and a friend or two into a breakout room. A breakout room is just another room where you and a friend or a few friends get to talk about what you're learning instead of being in a group with the entire class. So if you see this pop up, you're going to click Join, the blue button that says Join, and then your teacher or you and a couple of friends will get to talk about what you're learning. But remember, your teacher might be popping in at any moment just to make sure if you need any help that they're there to help you, but also to make sure that you are on task and talking about what the teacher has asked you to talk about. Well, that's all we have for today. Hopefully this was helpful for your next Zoom meeting with your teacher. Have a great day.